welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very refreshing lemonade. It's a pineapple and cucumber lemonade that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This amazing and refreshing pineapple cucumber lemonade, these are my ingredients: 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 lemons or 1 cup of lemon juice, color, flavor of pineapple extract, concentrate, 1 cucumber, and a pineapple. This is everything you need to prepare this amazing and refreshing pineapple cucumber lemonade. So let's get started. I want to start by first making my simple syrup. Very easy and only 2 ingredients. I am using 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. I am going to put everything into this pitcher and take it directly onto the stove. I am going to cook it for about 5 minutes until the sugar has dissolved, and you will notice that the water gets a little bit yellow. Once this is done, just put it aside and let it rest to come to room temperature before you use it in your delicious and refreshing lemonades. This simple syrup is done. And now I want to continue with my cucumber. I'm going to leave the skin on because I want all that nutrition and vitamins that the skin of the cucumber has. I'm going to put it into my blender, and now I am ready to continue with the pineapple. I'm going to take the skin off. First, I'm going to cut the edges so that it's nice and stable and it doesn't run from one side of the working table to the other side, making sure that I take all those little black dots off completely. Once this is done, I'm going to chop it in squares and then add it to my blender cup. Very easy, very delicious, and very refreshing lemonade. When you make this combination of cucumber and pineapple, just amazing. Of course, I am using 1 cup of lemon juice. I am going to add 1 cup of simple syrup. Remember, you have control of how much sugar you add into your delicious and refreshing lemonades. And here, of course, I am going to bring this lemonade a notch up. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of concentrate pineapple flavor, color, and aroma of pineapple. This really makes a difference into this amazing and refreshing lemonade. Let me tell you, when you add this extract, oh my gosh, it's really delicious. It gives it color, and it's a very potent flavor of pineapple. And here I'm just gonna blend away, making sure that I blend it for a couple minutes. If your blender doesn't blend perfectly, then you could put it through a sifter. But if not, just blend it for a couple minutes until everything has blended completely and there's no little pieces behind. Once this is done, you're ready to start enjoying your amazing and refreshing lemonade. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love all these ingredients, like, subscribe, and share, and be part of Cooking with Gloria. And here, of course, on my picture, I'm going to add some ice. I don't want to add too much because I don't want to dilute it. I'm going to add some little pieces of pineapple, little pieces of the cucumber, and then I'm ready to pour. This is such a refreshing lemonade. All these ingredients are in season. There's no way that it's that you're gonna go and buy soft drinks when you could enjoy an amazing lemonade at home and you know exactly what you're adding to your lemonade. Look at this. This looks amazing. Of course, I'm gonna prepare my glass with lots of ice because it's so hot here in California. And I'm going to add pieces of the pineapple and pieces of the cucumber. Even when you add those little pieces and you're enjoying your lemonade, you could really start eating those little pieces. So delicious and so refreshing. Look at this. I am ready to enjoy. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. And delicious pineapple cucumber lemonade. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. With all those little pieces, just amazing. With this hot weather, you're really going to enjoy this amazing lemonade. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today with this amazing pineapple cucumber lemonade, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay refreshing myself. Oops. And I will stay refreshing myself with this amazing pineapple cucumber lemonade. See you soon. Bye-bye.